Today, we'll highlight 5 reasons why the Galaxy S25 Ultra is a standout choice in the current smartphone market, making it a must-watch for any tech enthusiast. Exceptional display technology. Samsung has long been a leader in display technology, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra continues that tradition. Building on the success of the S24 Ultra's 6.8-inch Quad HD Plus display, the S25 Ultra refines its design for an even more immersive experience. The new model features a slightly larger screen at 6.86 inches, boasting rounded corners and a flat frame that emphasizes its sleek, modern design. With an updated LED composition, users can expect crisper visuals and improved viewing angles, enhancing the overall experience whether you're watching videos, gaming, or scrolling through social media. The emphasis on a lighter and more comfortable in-hand feel ensures that this device is as pleasant to hold as it is to look at. Unmatched performance. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, which delivers a remarkable 45% increase in processing power and a 44% gain in power efficiency compared to its predecessor. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or streaming, the performance improvements will be readily apparent. Additionally, the upgraded Adreno GPU provides a 40% boost in graphics performance, making it ideal for graphic-intensive applications. Enhanced AI support also means that complex tasks can be handled more quickly and efficiently, providing a smoother user experience overall. Revolutionary camera system. The camera system on the S25 Ultra is set to elevate Samsung's photography game to unprecedented heights. Featuring a stunning 200-megapixel main camera, along with a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto lens, a 50-megapixel periscope lens with 5x zoom, and a new 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, this phone guarantees vibrant and detailed images, whether you're capturing sweeping landscapes or intricate close-ups. The incorporation of Snapdragon AI enhances 4K video quality and introduces innovative tools like the Video Object Remover, making on-device editing easier than ever. Long-lasting battery life. Battery life is crucial for any smartphone, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra retains its predecessor's robust 5,000 mAh battery. Coupled with 45W fast charging, users can enjoy extended use without the frequent need to recharge. Thanks to the efficiency of the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor and Samsung's software optimizations, you can expect even longer battery life, making this device perfect for heavy users who are always on the go. Enhanced software experience. Launching with One UI 7, the S25 Ultra brings a fresh and intuitive interface, complete with interactive quick settings and refined core features that enhance usability. Privacy measures and anti-theft features provide additional peace of mind, while satellite connectivity enables remote communication, further elevating the device's appeal as a feature-packed flagship.